Hey users! Today, I wanted to do something, well, unique. Before we get started, please like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Without further ado, let's dive in! So today we're going to be doing something a little bit wild, but it's going to be fun. So you can see that I have a calculator right here. So let's go ahead and install Windows 10 on this calculator as if it was 2015. So we have a little issue. We need a storage drive, but luckily I have some USBs right here. So let's just go ahead and plug it in. Let's just go ahead and plug it in. And you can see it goes straight in. This calculator has USB ports. This is actually so cool. Now we need a storage device. Wait, no, not a storage device. I'm so silly. I meant we need RAM. I don't know if this will work, but I just have a PCB laying around. Let's use this PCB as a RAM stick. So I'm just gonna slide it into the RAM slot right here. You can see it's already connected to the monitor, which is right here. I don't know if it has the drivers to support it, but this is gonna be very fun. Alright, so let's go ahead and power this calculator on, and let's hope it has some video output. So I'm just gonna press the power button right here. I press the power button. So now that I press the power button, I'm gonna press the number 1 to signify to put it on the screen. I'm gonna do that. Also, please don't use this as a tutorial. This video is a joke. This obviously won't work, but it's still gonna be fun. So after I press 1, now I'm gonna press 0, and I'm just gonna choose a random. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm just messing around at this point. Let's just clear it. It's probably on, so let's just go ahead and power on the monitor and see if it has video output. So I'm just gonna go behind here. I'm sorry there's so much debris. But it turned on. Okay, it's turning on. Oh wow, it has some video output actually. Let's see, this is actually very impressive. This is beyond what I was expecting. I was expecting it to just crash. But yeah, let's go ahead and install Windows 10 because we know it's gonna end support this year. It's gonna be so sad. We're all gonna miss Windows 10, but yeah. I'm just doing this video to honor Windows 10 and how amazing it was. So yeah, enough yapping and let's get started. Oh, the RAM stick is falling out. Nitrogen monoxide. Oh my god, it's falling. Look, it was falling. Oh, nitrogen monoxide. That's so bad. But I fixed it, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move the mouse, but let me move it a little. Why is it not moving? Oh my god. I forgot to plug it into the calculator. Let me fix that real quick. I'm gonna be right back, guys. Okay, so there were some technical difficulties, but I think I fixed those. I mean, look, I connected the keyboard to the calculator, and now the mouse is connected to the calculator as well. So let's see if it works. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's working now. It's working. Now we can continue to install Windows. Okay. No, this is good. Let's just go next. Install now. Install now. And don't take forever like you always do with Windows updates. Sorry for the glare. Let me see if I can give you guys a better view. I think it's because this thing only has 1 GB of RAM, which isn't a lot, and it's a calculator, and it's not even plugged into a usable supply. This thing is gonna take forever, but I will come back when it finishes. Yes, it finally finished! Oh my god, that took forever. But let's see, I don't have a product key. I didn't plan on buying a product key for this video. So let's just click on this. And I want Windows 10 Pro. Windows 10 Pro, not Windows 10 Education. And okay, so let me read this. Read all of that. Okay, I just finished reading. I finished reading all that. Let's go ahead and check. We're not. This is a fresh install, not an upgrade. So we're gonna do custom. We need this right here. This, by the way, that drive right there, that is this USB right here. That's exactly what it is. So I'm not gonna force you guys to watch this. I'm probably gonna fast forward this part. Alright guys, my recording it stopped, but now I'm back. So it says, how would you like to set up personal use? Let's use personal use. It's gonna take a while, of course. I don't want to sign in. Let's just do offline. Offline is gonna be better because I don't want to do that for this YouTube video. Okay, let me type this real quick. I'm not gonna show you guys, so meanwhile you can just look at this. Just look at a calculator and how it sits. Okay, now you guys can look. I didn't really do too much. I don't really plan on using this in the future. I'm just doing this because, like I said, Windows 10 is ending support this year. Not now. Oh wait, no. Let's No, thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Usually, like, I know telemetry is kind of bad, but usually I'm kind of fine with it unless if it's like annoying in a way. And the reason why I'm disabling it on this install is so it doesn't strain this poor calculator's resources, because it's not that powerful at all. Let me just disable all of these except this, because we might need that. Why are you asking me so many questions? Just skip. Let's just skip. I'm not even using this so-called computer in the future. Or shall I say calculator? Okay, so now it's getting everything ready. I'm just gonna put this, I'm gonna stop here and then I'll come back. I'll tell you guys how it did after I come back. Alright guys, so we made it to the desktop, which is a good thing. So, this resolution is pretty questionable, so let's go ahead and install those graphics drivers or APIs, because this is a virtual machine actually. Okay, so I know that it was kind of short and we didn't really do anything, but I promise in the next video, we're going to run some games on this calculator and see how well it runs. So I hope you guys have a nice day, and please, like I said in the intro, please like and subscribe and share it with people that you know, so hopefully the YouTube algorithm will notice me. Have a nice day.